So we have to use some properties in this. And the first question says write true and false. 2 upon 5 plus 5 upon 4 is a rational number. This is a property, and the properties are closure associative and all. So the sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. This is a property, and this property is given in the beginning of the topic. So using that property, this is true sentence. Then this is equal to 0. Now this you have to simplify. So minus 2 upon 3 plus, so if the sum is coming, if the sum of this number is 0, then the answer is 0. So we will solve these questions by taking the rule of fraction, and the rule of fraction is according to the question that when the answer should be is it 0 or not. So if we solve this and the number is minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon minus 2, if the answer is 0, so since there is a minus sign here and a plus and a minus sign here, this whole question can be written with a single sign as minus 3 upon 2. Plus sign and a minus sign together becomes minus. Now the LCM of this number is 6. So since the LCM is 6, now what will it become? 3 will divide 6. 3 will go 2 times. So you should write it in this way in your mind. 3 will divide 6 2, and it will become 3 divided 2, so 2 into 2, and 2 will divide 6, 2, 3, just 6, so 3 will go in the numerator. Now the number is minus 4, minus 9, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, and the answer is minus 13 upon 6 is the answer. Okay, so the answer is equal to 0. So the answer is not 0, it is false. So these are based on the property. 0 is an additive identity of additional number. Yes, 0 is additive identity means when 0 is added to any number, then the answer is the same number. So it is true. And 5 upon 6 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 upon 6 plus 0 means when this number is added with 0, the answer is 0. So we know that if we add 3 plus 0, the answer is not 0. So therefore this sentence proves that this sentence is wrong. This sentence is wrong. Then the negative of any negative number is negative. Negative of any number. Negative of a negative number. That means minus of minus is equal to minus of minus 3 is plus, and it is written negative of a negative number is negative, so it is false. The answer is that it is not negative, it is positive. Then 0 has no reciprocal. Yes. Now this question number 2 onwards, it is written add and simplify. So how do you add and simplify? It is a revision exercise of the previous class. So question number 2, A part is minus 6 upon 11. This question minus 6 upon 11 and 2 upon 3. You have to simplify. How do you simplify? We have to write minus 6 upon 11. Add. It is written add the following. So since it is written add, you will add it plus 2 upon 3. And then it will become LCM. What is the LCM of this number? The LCM is, yes. If you have any problem or any query, you can type below the video and I will try to solve it. Rest we will solve in the live class where I will explain, take your problems.